Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing a DIY polygel nails using the kit that I got from Shopee, and I super love how they turned out. I mean, they're butterfly nails, so what's not to love? Anyway, this is super affordable, so if you want to know how I got these nails, then just keep on watching. So this is the whole kit from Shopee. It consists of 100 pieces polygel tips, UV LED nail lamp, polygel of course. This is actually supposed to be 3 but I misplaced the other one, a nail brush, a nail file, and lastly a nail clip. And these are the ones that I bought separately, so I also got butterfly sequins for the design and the base coat and the top coat. So my sister's gonna do this for me because she does it better, and also so that you can see clearly. Here she's just putting on the base coat. If you want your polygel nails to stay on longer and to be more durable, of course, it's important that you put a base coat first. And here I am using a soak off one so that it's not gonna be too difficult for me to take it off. And after that, of course, you need to cure it using the UV LED nail lamp and wait until the light automatically goes off. And of course, don't forget your thumb. And now the next step is to look for the right nail size from your polygel tips. And if you found them, then you can start. Start by putting on a right amount of gel on the polygel tips. And using your nail brush, dip it in some alcohol. And then carefully spread it like so and make sure that it's clean and that it's not too thick. And after that, you can now put it gently on your nail and make sure that you don't press because the tendency is the gel will be all over the place. And here she's just cleaning the sides with alcohol so that there's no excess gel when you cure it. And of course, you already know what it is. You need to cure it again so that it gets dry and that it's durable. And this step is actually a bit uncomfortable since it burns a little, but that's completely normal, so don't freak out like I did. And don't forget the back part of your nail. And after this step, make sure that the gel is completely dry before you take off the polygel tips. And after you've made sure of that, you can now take it off. And of course, using a nail file, shape it to however you want it to look like. And also, if you want it to be shorter, it's completely up to you. You can just use a nail cutter to cut it out. But I'm satisfied, I'm happy with this length, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. And if you're already happy with the shape, then it's done. Look at that, it's so cute. Now for the clear butterfly nails, you just have to do the same thing all over again. Put the right amount of gel on the polygel tips, and then using your brush dipped in some alcohol, just carefully spread it all over the tips. And the only difference here is, of course, you have to put the butterfly sequins, and that's actually really easy. And then after you're done with this, you can now put the butterfly sequins using the other side of your nail brush. Now this part again is completely up to you. You can totally customize. You can put or place the butterfly sequins wherever you want them to be. And of course you can choose the color that you want. Here I chose the hollow ones. And then after you're done placing them, secure it with your brush dipped in some alcohol. Make sure that you do this very carefully so that the sequins stay in place. And then after you're done with this, you can now put it on your nail and make sure again that you don't press it, because then the gel will be all over the place. And then cure it until the light automatically goes off. And that's it. You can now take the polygel tips off once you make sure that it's completely dry. And use a nail file to again shape it however you want them to look like. And that's it. And you just have to repeat that to your other nails. And now I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial again on how to do it so that you don't forget it. And after everything's done, you can clean them up with a tissue soaked in alcohol like so. And now you can put on your top coat. And then after that, just cure it for the last time, and that's it. You now have your butterfly polygel nails. That's so cute. Now she's doing my other hand. There's actually an easier and a less time consuming way to do this. You can make the gel spreading on the polygel tips first for all of your nails, and so you can put them one by one very quickly, like so. That way you can cure them all at the same time.
No way back, at least we got all this cash. No way back, at least we got all this cash. We count our money by the fire escape. You pull the 45 behind your waist and say, fuck that, I'll be taking that cash. Fuck that, I'll be taking that cash.
같은 밤 같은 침대에서 이른 아침 눈을 떠
And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you loved this tutorial or this DIY. If you want to see more of this from me, just comment down below and let me know what kind of nails you want me to make next. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!